Mabuhay y'all. Apparently our barrel ran out of water, so we're gonna have to figure it out what's happening here, because there's a puddle of water where the water bar is, and I know I'm hoping the barrel itself is not leaking, so we're gonna have to figure out where's the water coming from. So hello guys, what's up, Box? Let's see what's going on here. I think I see what's going on. Hey Daddy, the tea is it's leaking by the tea. It's leaking by the tea. Yeah, I think I see where is it coming from. So we're gonna have to, and it's cold too. We have a couple of nights that's below freezing. Last night actually went down to 20 degrees. And temperature right now it's only 35, so going back old school until we see what we can be able to replace our water bar. It's really cold out here, but the things we do for our what?
Animals.
Animals.
They're not pets.
Hey, Tommy's our pet. Yeah, we got several chickens that has names. So.
Well, Tom, how old is she?
Hey, Tommy's like 7 years old.
Don't know if she's laying any eggs, but she's hanging in there.
Yep. I don't think she's earning her keep, but
she did over her career.
This water is so cold.
It is at least 40 degrees. Stop whining.
No, it was like 35.
There's not even frost coming off your breath. You're not fooling anybody. It's 72. Ronnie the rabbit's turn. I said Ronnie the rabbit's turn. Now he is a pet.
Oh yeah. This water is. Whew. Holy cow, this water is very cold. Ronnie situated.
It looks a little soapy still.
Huh? What's that?
Is that soapy?
What? This?
Yeah.
I'm fixing to rinse it up. This side full of water. I can never get this thing right.
I'm going, that's all.
I guess we're going in. Are you gonna hand me the hose?
Once you get in there.
What's up, guys? I gotta find a level spot. I guess it's level enough. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I guess hand me the... Hopefully the weather will
Cooperate.
cooperate one day this week and we can get y'all's water bar fixed up.
It's worked how long?
Over a year.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely gone through one winter at least without freezing up.
Yeah.
Which I'm shocked.
But, I mean, it got down to like 17, 18 degrees last night.
It was cold.
Oh my God, it hurts. Pause it. What do I say? All right. Temporary fix, but at least it should last a week, I hope, without freezing. So farm life, homesteading.